Is my report, Financial Management Analysis of Apple Incorporation. My name is Ronald Morales, BSIS 2. Company overview. The company name is Apple Incorporation. Industry, technology, consumer electronics, software, and services. Overview, Apple Incorporation is a world-leading technology company with popular products like the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and software services like the Application Store and iCloud. Headquarters, Cupertino, California. Key financial indicators, the annual revenue, $394.3 billion in 2022. The market capitalization, $2.5 trillion in 2023. Executive summary, the key findings, the funding sources, Apple raises the capital in the form of stock offering and debt issuance. Resource allocation, Apple invests the hug resources in the R&D and advertisement with a very sound balance sheet. Investment decision, Apple investment in R&D and acquisition such as Beats Electronic and Intel modem business. Working capital management, Apple manages cash flow, inventory, and accounts receivable efficiently and to ensure liquidity. Funding sources. How the company raises the funds. PVT, the Apple raises money by selling stock shares traded publicly on Nasdaq. The Vet Apple has raised billions of dollars in to fund capital intensive projects by selling corporate bonds. Internal funding, the Apple earns enormous amounts of money from selling products which they invest back into the company. Example, Apple borrowed the 5.5 billion through bonds in 2022 intents of funds its operation using bonds rather than regular loans. Resource allocation. The capital expenditures, Apple invests in a lot of research and development, R&D, and manufacturing capacity to develop and stay ahead in the market. Apple used around $26.25 billion in R&D in 2022 to enhance its products line. Operational expenses covers expenses like marketing, selling, and administrative costs. Example, Apple spend over 1 billion a year in advertising and marketing to sustain its worldwide brand image. Investment decision. Current investment acquisition Apple bought Beats Electronic in 2014 for 3 billion, which result in Apple Music. R&D investment, Apple continues to invest heavily in emerging technologies like AR, VR, and autonomous system and AI, with a special emphasis on next-gen processors. In fact, this investment put Apple in a position to dominate services, Apple, Music, iCloud, and emerging product categories. Working capital management. How Apple manages its daily finances. Cash management. Apple holds a healthy cash position with a cash and a cash equivalent of over $50 billion, which supports flexibility and investment in operations. Inventory management. Apple possesses a good inventory management system with high inventory turnover because it sells of its product with fast. Account receivable, payable. The Apple employs a sophisticated credit system and it's renowned for managing account payable to maximize the cash flow. Example, Apple streamline inventory management, key products such as iPhone selling fast, minimize overstock and costs. Ethical consideration, ethical issues, the tax practices. Apple has been criticized for employing offshore tax arrangement which have created doubt regarding tax avoidance, supply chains issues. Apple has been under the spotlight regarding labor practices within supply chains, especially with the manufacturing partners in China. Environmental responsibility. Apple works towards the lessening its carbon footprint and has also made attempt to have 100% renewable energy for all its sourcing. Example, Apple invested a $100 million pledge in its racial equity and justice initiative in support of underrepresented groups. Conclusion and recommendation. Summary: Apple is an effectively managed organization with a diversified funding source, debate and equity, and innovation strategy. The company invests heavily in R&D and acquisition to maintain its market leadership. Apple excels in working capital management but faces ethical challenges in its supply chain and tax practices. Recommendation: Apple should continue to improve transparency in its tax practices and explore more ethical sourcing options in its supply chain. More focus could be placed on ethical investment into community programs to address labor-related concerns in manufacturing. Final thoughts: wrap up, the Apple financial management is the key to its continue to success by mixing innovation with prudent financial management. The Apple is still one of the world's most valuable companies. The key takeaways: Apple is a financial strategy aid, both short term is a profitability and long term expansion. Thank you. This is my contact number, contact information, Ronald Morales, and my email address, ronald._morales23 at yahoo.com.